Thanks for joining my channel. It's Rocky and I'm gonna dive right into it. Today is a little bit different. I'm in a good mood. But even though I'm in a good mood, I still feel like I need to complain today. So I'm gonna start with my complaints, but then get into some goodies right after that. First, I wanna talk about the fact that I bought a set of slim line hangers. And I bought these in the attempt to sort of like compact and condense the clothes that I have in my closet. And I'm sure you guys remember and have seen 1,000,001 times footage of how my closet is arranged. I have a ton of clothes and I thought, you know what, skinnier hangers might allow me to, I don't know, pack in more clothes. So I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I saw this. The Bed Bath & Beyond near me is going out of business, just that location. And a set of 50 of these hangers. They are velvet. They have little dips in them so you can hang straps on it. Looked perfect. And they called them slimline, so I figured they were skinnier than the hangers that I do have. The hangers that I do have are these typical cheap hangers that you'll get from your local Walmart, Target, dollar store, I don't know. But I figured, these are rather thick. They call these thin. They should be thinner. So I went through the exercise of, taking down 50 garments, because I have a set of 50, and rehanging them on the slim line hangers, yes. And guess what? These mugs are thicker than the cheap hangers, thicker. So I spent all that time switching clothes from one type of hanger to another for no reason. So unfortunately, I cannot recommend these, what is this called? Real Simple Solutions slim line hangers. Don't do it because they don't save you any space. Plus side is that I got them on sale. Because the store is going out of business, these were $29.99. They took 20% off. And then I had another coupon for another 20% off. And I said, I think once it was all said and done, I ended up paying somewhere around 20 bucks for 50 hangers. Not awful, but not great. So anyway, I've already hung all the clothes up. I'm not gonna go through the effort of unhanging them and returning these. It's just not, I'm not interested. But my recommendation is forget these and stick with the cheap 1,000 hangers for $1. So now that I'm done complaining, I'm gonna get into the meat and potatoes of what I wanted to talk to you about. So I am my mother's daughter. I absolutely love freebies, samples, discounts, sales, clearance, anything you can think of where I feel like I have won, I am about it. And I mentioned to you 10,000 times about the fashion show that I did last week with Surround Sound of Fashion. We give out these nice swag bags every year to the VIP guests. And I'm rarely ever able to participate or partake in the goodies that they get because we get enough for our VIP folks and then we pass them out to the guests. So whatever's left is left, and if anything is left at all, I may see them but not get them. I have never gotten any of the swag bag items until this year, only because some people kindly left some of their things behind. So I have no shame in picking up after other people in terms of getting free stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig right into it and show you what I found on the premises. First off, we got these cool like grocery type bags, reusable bags, and this was from the Bentley Gold Coast dealership. And then on the other side it has the Lamborghini logo. So for me, this bag in and of itself is important because here in Chicago they charge the 7 cents tax or fee for using plastic bags or plastic or paper. It doesn't even matter. Any bag that a store gives you, they charge you 7 cents per bag. So I have a billion gazillion of these reusable bags because I am saving, and I absolutely love when I save, right? So the bag is pretty cool. It's stylish in and of itself, so I was happy to have the bag. Then we had there was a myriad of things. I didn't get all of the goodies because, again, I didn't get an actual bag. I just kind of scrounged around and found some things. So the first thing I want to share with you is from Mael Organics. Let me show you this. Yeah, from Mael Organics. They are another brand, sort of like the Thank God I'm Natural brand, where, Thank God I'm Natural, where they claim everything is sort of made with simple, natural ingredients and organic ingredients. So what they put in this bag was a pomegranate and honey radiant body wash. And for me, I mean, you know what? Let's pop it open. Let's see. Smells amazing. And it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. Seems like it'll be really nice on the body. Unfortunately, I am unable to, you know, use regular body wash. I have to use sensitive formulas with no perfumes and dyes. So this will be going into a prize pack for one of you. So let's get that going. Subscribers, I am waiting for you to subscribe so we can hit some milestones, and I'm gonna send this your way. The other item that they put in the bag is a rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. It's infused with biotin and it encourages growth. It's for daily use, scalp treatment, and split end care. I need all of it. So I am excited that they had this in there. I looked at the ingredients and it has every oil that I love, plus some more that I have been wanting to try and didn't get a chance to try. So I am really excited to see how this is going to work on my hair. So this one is staying with me, ladies, or gentlemen too, if you're watching. This one's going to be staying with me. I'm going to be using this, but then I'll do a review. After I've used this for a couple of weeks, I'll let you know what I think. And the plus side of it is that I got 2 bags. I found 2. So I have duplicates of this. So I have 2 body washes to give out to you guys. And then, of course, that also means that I have another oil for me. The next item comes from a, well, I think this is a franchised brand, but we only have a couple locations here in Chicago, and this is Kilwin's Chocolate Fudge and Ice Cream. So this one is from Kilwin's. Doesn't that look delicious? Yes, they have all of this in their shop. I've been there several times for all of their unique ice cream blends and flavors, but they also decided to help sponsor the VIP bag. They gave out samples, and then they gave out these really delicious looking caramels, caramel or caramel, whatever you like to call it, but they gave out these delicious candies in the VIP bags, and I can't wait to try one. Yum. The next couple of items I may or may not use. So, I mean, well, one of them I definitely will not use and I'll give away. But this one came from, I want to say DTLR Villa. They gave out Ethica underwear, it's men's underwear. It's the biking short kind. What do you call these? I don't even know. But anyway, it's like the biking short kind of underwear. So yep, I'm going to be giving this away because obviously I don't wear men's underwear. All right, so I'll be giving that away. The next one came from Timberland, and it is a rugged pair of crew socks, and it has the Timberland logo on it. I'm gonna keep these, even though they are labeled as men's socks. I think, well, I don't know. Actually, I'm looking at it. I don't think I can keep it. The foot of it is really long. So I'm gonna have to give these away too. So I have some Timberland men's socks and I'll be giving these away, but this is a pretty cool item to have in the VIP bag. The next one is from Solo Noir. This one is a men's, kind of like a men's spa. They have a lot of men's products that are like shampoos and things for hair, skin, nails, and such, but for men. And then they gave out some beard oil, like a sample of some beard oil. So I will obviously be giving this away because I am not interested in filling out my beard. So I'll definitely be giving this away as well. But nice addition to the bag. The next item is pretty cool. It's a tumbler. It's from a brand called Spark, but it's one of those double-lined tumblers that keep your drinks hot and cold for like 24 hours and such. I will open it. Oh, this is a Timberland. This is pretty dope. It has a Timberland logo here right on the front. If you can see that, that's pretty dope. It's a 12-ounce tumbler with a, let's see how this lid works here. Oh, and the lid slides and you can just drink right here out of the mouthpiece. Oh, I am a fan. Yes. All of that, yes. Keeping this one, not giving this one away. I can always use tumblers to keep my drinks cool and warm. Thank you, Timberland. And the next item I think came from Born Fly. They usually give pretty dope promotional items. Yes, it is from Born Fly. This one is a charging station for your phone or whatever mobile electronic devices that you have, because it has multiple ports, but it has a USB and mini USB port on here, but it's pretty cool. It has the Born Fly logo here on the front. It's pretty dope. I will be carrying this around everywhere I go to charge up my phone. This is pretty cool. So yeah, it's just a portable charger. I wonder how long it can charge for, but this is pretty cool. I'm excited about this. All right, that brings us to the end. I apologize that I did not bother to do anything with my hair, but I just thought, you know what? It is getting late. I need to film a video for you guys, and they've seen me worse, and you've seen me look way worse. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button, share with your friends, hit the like button, leave me a comment. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? Once I reach 200 subscribers, I'll be sending out an Aveda prize pack. In the Aveda prize pack, you'll have a ton of things: fragrance, hair, makeup, skin, all of that, beauty, all in one pack, but all from Aveda because it's one of my favorite brands. Again, not sponsored, no commission. I just really like the brand and I want you to try it. So once I hit 200, one of you will get that prize pack. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Ice water turn Atlantic, night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, fled the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bridges undercover. I'm a DA got that dope. Ice water turn Atlantic, night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, fled the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bridges undercover. I'm an absentee lover. Guess we all meant for each other.